Hey there, Margaritaville peeps. So today we've got a resale of a Trinidad, and I want to take you in and check it out. Very exciting, and it's so much space with a water view. It's gonna be fantastic. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's go check it out. So let's run in and check it out. So as you enter, you can see you've got the views out the back. It's beautiful. But we're gonna start in the guest quarters up front. All right, so they did add recessed lighting here. And it is an ensuite. So you've got your tile, and then you've got tile in the shower as well. Okay, right around from the ensuite is the guest half bath. So, got a pedestal sink, nice little transom windows for some extra lighting. And let's go out. So in this den space, you do have the doors, so you can turn it absolutely into guest space or an office. You just have that privacy. So let's check out the living room. Nice vaulted ceiling. Okay. And as you can see, the amazing views, we'll go out there in just a second as this one's on water. Let's check out the kitchen. You do have your in-wall unit here and a pretty hood that matches everything. This one is set up for gas, as you can see here. You will need a refrigerator, as with most, but you do have Whirlpool appliances. And tile floor for the kitchen. A note to point is you have the extended island. Okay, so lots of space there. They did opt for a fireplace, and again, those views, guys. You could make this your dining room, and then you've got all of this open space for your living room. Okay, let's take a look. All right, so you've got that third bedroom here, and it does have the recessed lighting. Across from that third bedroom is the massive laundry area, and they did install some cabinets here with a sink. There's where your washer and dryer go. There's your garage entry. Massive, massive laundry room. So let's head to the main ensuite. There you go. Look at that. Whew. Okay, so the rest of it is that there is a tray ceiling. They did do the recessed lighting. And you've got, you know, the his and her closets, dual closets, plenty of space. And in the main bathroom, there's a couple of finishing touches coming. But you've got a nice large shower. You've got a soaker tub. And again, you've got some natural light coming in, which is fabulous. Let's go take a look outside. So here's the Lanai. It also has the recessed lighting. You can see that the sprinklers are going, so I won't go out there, but the nice green sod that's been laid. And you've got all of this beautiful landscaping. So for more information, you can look in the description below and get the listing link. I'm gonna put it in there for you, so you can see the pricing and all the other details, because I don't wanna say anything and mess it up. but it'll all be there in the description. If you can't see the description, maybe you're watching this on TV, you're welcome to text me and ask me for the direct link. I can email it to you or text it to you, however you'd like, whatever's best for you. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough for this Trinidad resale. All right, I'll talk to you later.